Home tayo dito. Enjoy life at Bright FM 91.9. Friends tayo. 91.9 Bright FM 91.9 Bright FM. Friends tayo.
75 years of courageous witnessing. 75 years of tenacious rising. Full of grace in new heart and spirit. Full of grace, let the humble rejoice. Lord of pardon and charity, thank you for these fruitful years. Full of grace, these fruitful years. Full of grace, 75 years. Full of grace, Diocese of San Fernando. Full of grace.
Magrasyang bengi po kay Hayungan, kalugraming kakrusada. Welcome king ihatamo pong Inkrusada, the special edition. Uling pagmasosyal tayo po yung 75 years ng ipangatatag ng diocese. Ayan pong December 11, 1948. At dakal po sangkan, bakit mitmuta mo po king grasya? Metong po ka rin dahilan, kaya pin po kit mo nakatang grasya ni nga pong Ginoo, yapin po din kikatamong laiko. At kota pong sabihan mong laiko, kikatamong pong archidioceses, metong po ka rin mumunang dining lulwal ka rin lagyo, as suggested by our dear Aposeto, ang po kikatamong pong obispo, yapong dong, yapin po yung kikatamong bisita ngayon Bengiti. Tang magpakilala kayo po.
Ako po'y Peter G. Nepomuceno, taga Angeles City.
At iya po yung kasalukuyan na presidente nung nukarin tampong ngayon. Kayo po presidente na tang?
Ako po maging presidente ng Holy Angel. Maging presidente ko mo po ka rin negosyo ng Nepomuceno. Para yung Holy Angel po, ako maging active keni ang gako mong Board of Trustees.
Opo. Iya pong Board of Trustees na po ning, meron po rin Board of Trustees na po ning Holy Angel University. Uling impong pamilyayo po niya po. Nino pong kayang tabi na po nag-establish po kayo ng eskwela?
Ang eskwela was established by my father with Bishop. He was not a bishop yet at that time. Pedro Santos, who was his classmate in the seminary. Well, the school was established because there was no Catholic high school here in Angeles. And it's the belief of my father that as Catholics, we should send our children to Catholic schools. That is one of the reasons why he put up Holy Angel Academy. That was 1933 or 90 years ago.
Opo, ngayon po, meron niya po rin peka Maragoldiling University, King Asia, in Holy Angel University, at in maka-proud po, uling in mag-establish po, metong niya pong laiko. Yapin po, itatang niyo po.
Yes,
Yapin na po.
this is the first Catholic university established by layman.
Opo, layman. Yapin po,
Juan de Dios Nepomuceno.
Nepomuceno. Kaya, nung lawen niyo po, din pong kanilang pengari at ang gana pong yeni, metong po karing mission da po king biyapin po yung mamorma. Ne po, kalupa na po yung dimdam yun din. Kaya may tatagyaw po yung eskwela kasi they want to establish a Catholic high school. Ne po, they wanted to form children, ban kanita po maging Katoliko. Ne po. Kaya pin po hanggang yeni, metong po karing mission nyo, yapin po yung magpag-aral ka rin pari. Ne po.
Ita po, siguro uling i-father ko, seminaristaya. But he was sent out of the seminary because he got a serious illness. So he became a lawyer and a businessman, but he started sending people to seminary, helping seminarians. When he was about to leave this world, I asked him, "Nano yung bilin mo? And peki ba't nakanako, sundo mo rin seminarista ako, ana." So I continued. And after several years, I thought of establishing a foundation which is called Juan D. Nepomuceno Scholarship Foundation. This foundation is exclusively for seminarians. I thought of putting up a foundation so that it is something that will be continuing. Even if I'm no longer around, the foundation will continue to assist seminarians, particularly those of the Archdiocese of San Fernando.
Opo, kaya pin po, yak po bilang metong pari, 18 years na akong pari, tatangpit na ang pingawas ko niya po. Opo, tatangpit. 18 years na akong pari, iya po kompleto yung ordinasyon, siyempre po, chinubis po. At lagi kayo pong atsyo. Bala pong ordinasyon pari, lagi yan pong present. Na po. Nano po yung pinakatatali pong inattend na ordinasyon?
Taluy kong attend the ordination kaya tapang 2019 before the pandemic, because after that I got sick and I have not been able to attend ordinations anymore. That particular year I attended 3 ordinations in succession. I thought I was strong. I was already 82 at that time. Now I'm 87. But I hope I could go back to attending ordinations again.
Opo, ligatita po kayo mayaring deacon, kayo ba't po magpari no po eventually po deta. Balo yun po, para po karing katang makirandam, ang po karing manalbe, itatangpit, naman po bahalag yun ding pag-aradang pari. Ning kayo po kano, akit dala mo, po tapong mismong ordination date. Ne po?
That is right. That's why I try to attend the ordination. Because most of the time, I do not get to meet them until they are ordained. But now I try to meet them, at least if they're ordained as deacon, I try to attend and get in touch with them.
Balo yun po bilang ding payari ng pare.
We do not have a count and we have not been counting. But we have been blessed that at least one every year is ordained. And this year, one will be ordained deacon. So he'll be ordained priest maybe next year. And the coming year, it's a big blessing for us. There will be about 4 who will be ordained deacon next year.
Okay. Balo po, almost half, siguro po, makanyan la po ding payari na pong pari. Kaya kaba po kayong papalabas tayo ni Tatangpit. Akit yun po kayo din pari, mag-comment la po. Ako pag-aral na ako pag-aral na ako. At akit yun po, almost all, pag-aral nyo la po. Makanyan la po. Imakapagtaka mo po, they really work in silence. Ita po siguro yung meto nga sikreto da kayapin po dakal la papayari. Kasi quietly they work. De po. No kanya po wabalo ita pong value nga ita. You always work in silence.
From my parents, there's a saying that if you're giving on one hand, your other hand should not know about it.
Basa ko po banta po mas talay tayo pong kilala. As early as 22, may gina kayo pong manager, karing kumpanyayo.
That is right. I was appointed general manager of Angeles Electric when I was 22 years old. I had been working for 65 years. with the different Nepomuceno companies. But it was Holy Angel that I did not manage.
Ako po.
Probably because it's not a business. No?
Opo.
As a matter of fact, Holy Angel is a foundation. It's a non-stock, non-profit foundation. Whatever profit it makes goes back to the improvement of the school. It does not go to the Nepomuceno family.
Opo, tutuya po yan kasi po, anya pong mesahin ko po banda San Fernando, all our young people, ding parachute ministry, magaralangan po king Holy Angel. At sabianda po ka na ako, makalubla, agyang halala pong pamayad. Bala mo po itang mag-enroll lagi ni, later on they can pay. At dakal po rin kaming anak kanita, ita pong parokya ko kinya pong kalulot. All of them, may garal la po Holy Angel. Makantangan po yung proseso da po. May garal la, kay ba't po, later on la po mamayad. Kaya pin po it's really a foundation na po.
Yes, it's a foundation, and the idea of my father is that it should be accessible even to those who are not of means, no? To help the people, to help the community. And I think the Holy Angel has done a lot in forming the characters of so many people from Angeles and environs that it helped the community.
Kaya pin po yan ni Holy Angel, bala mo po, metong yung city. Botang loob ka. Bala mo, it's like a city. Bala ko po sabi po ka rin anak nandin, bala mo naman, lulubta mo king metong, bala ko lulubta king global city. Nga ako po kasi, pero yung kamasantinganan po, agad kayo pumilob. Kutang niyo po bakit? Kasi sabi ko po,
Bakit?
punta lang kaya po Mr. Peter Nepomuceno. Lungom na ko po wada. Ita po pala yung access. Kaya pin po bala ko, kayo po yung presidente. Ita po siguro yung masanting making contribution niyo po Nepo. Maliban po ka rin pari, ang po magpari. Karen pong dakala kaya naka na may ngayari talaga pong angel kayo po karela kasi po nung nano naman po yung achievements dangeni, it's all because of your family, Nepo. Kaya maragula bagay po ita. Metong pa po, kita pong kikayong pang general manager. Siyempre po, anak ko pa mo, kanta 22 Nepo. You were able to, balang po i-revive yung Angeles Electric. Makana niyo pong agawa po ita, considering 22 years old kayo pa mo po kanta. Machismis ko po tang na.
I think because of hard work and also because my parents were very religious, they prayed a lot. You know? So they do the praying and I did the work. That is our joke in the family.
Alakay po secret. Kasi po, ating pong kalaguran, yung secret na po. Kaya bala pong tatala ng business, mag-boom, po mandilo. Ito naman pong netong, pati po kung magipagdilya, ingasawa na tsunepisamban magrosaryo, kaya lagi lang pong manikondil. Kayo po laki po secret.
I think my secret is the values that were handed over to me by my parents. No? The values of fairness. No, you have to be fair with your employees, with your suppliers, with your family, with the community. Treat everybody fairly.
Ini po kanyung dahilan, bakit po kanitang electric company square ya? Nepo. At niya pong reason ta
That
nepo.
is right. That's why I adopted the square deal, as they say, no? If you look at the office of Angeles Electric from above, it's a square building to emphasize our square deal.
Yapin po ito na talagang, akit mepin po ang gapo seminaryo makanya niya. Kaya siguro din Paris square la naman. Square la po utak. Ali, maging square and fair la po. Nepo, kasanti nga po ita.
Yes.
That was your idea po.
Yes. And one of the things that my mother particularly had been teaching us that you should not take advantage of other people. Eka maggrabyado ka rin alo ang tao. Baling ikang may grabyado. Pero eka maggrabyado ka rin aliwa.
Opo, that is one value po, Nepo.
Yes.
Another value pong igit ko po at abasa itang Pahutangan na kayo po kanong mother yun eh po. Pero kailangan mamayad kayo po.
Yes, because you see, Angeles Electric was established on borrowed money. My mother borrowed 500 pesos from her mother to start Angeles Electric. So we had been expanding our business through borrowings. That's why my mother told me that when there's a loan that is due and you do not have enough money to pay for that loan that is due, you borrow from others. Eka pa'y sira, yung masisira rin kaya kang credibility and your credit. That's why up to now, we have been expanding through borrowings. We are able to borrow from banks because of that principle that we pay on time.
Opo, kaya karing manalbeta mo, ang pupukuring makarandam, o yan po yung number 1 lesson niya po, mamayad kayong utang. Sa bagay din po naman, nilala ko po itang burden niya po, tsaka itang tiwala, pumila ko itang tiwala. Bangan tanong makailangan kong pasibayo, makapandam kong pasibayo. Niya po. Kaya ba't may itong pa pong balo ko po, kaya kayo may biyasa kayo pong mag-improvise, niya po. Kasi deta pong kayong ginamit po kanong, dati, ko po kanong bisang mananggapan ka na yung bisang pakonek, electricity, pero ingaisip yun po ata, mag-improvise. Niya po.
That is right. You have to be flexible. Try to find solutions. And at that time, we were short of generating capacity for Angeles Electric. So what we did is we had to look for generating units from junkyards, surplus units, try to make them run so that we could serve more people. Because the problem with the electric industry is that every time somebody puts up a house, you have to put investment. You have to put a line to serve that house. You have to buy transformer and electric meter to serve that house.
Opo, kaya karing anak tamo po. Kasi karing anak, burida putang, laging brand new. Ne po? Burida, laging sa salido rin pengarida, latest. Pero ita po niya nga basta kita sabi ko, kasanting nanine, dapat abalo din ring anak. You learn how to improvise. Junkyard, ne po? Detang surplus, kantala po. But and they were able to put up lenyo po ngayon, ne po? Kadagunan na pong kumpanya.
Yes, because at that time, we were not given dollars to import generating equipments. The government was telling us, anyway, the Ambuklao power is coming to Angeles, so we will not give you dollars to buy generators. You wait for the Ambuklao power. Fortunately, we were connected in 1960, and the service started to improve.
Pero yung pagtakan ko po habang babasan kayo po itang pong article about yun po, talagang makababad na ko po king business, pero pa mo rin po akakalingon itang outreach. Pa mo rin po akakalingon itang mission para ka rin tao. Makananda po nga invite kayo po ito kasi business, kay ba't po akakalingon yung pisamban, akakalingon yung pamag-mission ka rin tao.
See, my parents were very generous. No? During the later part of their life, every Friday, there will be some people who will go to our house. And then they'll be taught catechism. My father gets somebody to teach them, maybe about 30 minutes to 1 hour, about our religion. Then after that, my father would give them money. Hindi naman malaki. Opo. Something.
Pati po yung pisamban, makayalan po involvement na po.
Yes, my parents were generous with the church, with the seminarians, probably because one of my brother is a Jesuit priest. When he was studying at Novaliches, my mother would go there very often to bring food. for the seminarians there.
Amutang, one na po mo seno po yung father po na, po lagi po yung mother po.
Teresa Gomez.
Kaya pin po tin
That is the Villa Teresa.
Villa Teresa. Karakal ko po babalo. Kaya dapat pumangutang tamang utang. Ating kayo pong kapatid na pari, niya po.
Yes, I have a Jesuit brother. His name is Aurelio.
Aureo.
Aurelio.
Atin mo rin po madre.
There, I have a sister, Sister Jonep, who is a Benedictine nun. She's now 90 years old.
Buti na mo po po nagpayasain king
She was president here for 10 years. 10 years. And she's still active in the board of Holy Angel. She's the chairman of the executive committee of Holy Angel University.
talagang very religious siya po yung family yun po. Kayo po ako bumigpari tang.
Ako atang least religious sa amin eh.
Ay kasi po pota pong ordinasyon nakit iya po itatang Peter. Manakit kayo po mistiso kitang gulot. Tahimik ya mo po. Sabi ko, karakal napapayarin pari ninyo. Kaya siguro, bala po dati, ikaw po migpari. Kaya pin po magpayari kong pari.
Hindi, kasi yun ang binilin sa akin ng father ko.
Kaya nga anak niyo po, wala pong linog pare.
Wala.
Ano? Ilan po din nga anak kita?
I have 4 children with my first marriage. No? One of them was called PJ, Dr. Doc PJ, they call him. No? He had been assisting me during the pandemic and trying to screen seminarians. No? But he died of COVID.
Kaya pin mo rin po itong designer po, itong
Yes.
manual, maangay po ka rin santo niya po.
He had a business together with a partner called Borda de Oro. They make the vestments for the Santos. No? And before he died, he was here at the Holy Rosary bringing the blanket, the blanket for the Apo. That was Holy Week. So he died Monday after Holy Week.
So, ito po yung BJ na po.
Yes.
Dito po nga luway po nga anak.
Well, I have only one daughter. She had been working here at Holy Angel. She retired already. And I have another son, Roji. He's managing our company, Dura Stress Corporation. And the other one is working with the international company.
Opo, no pong kabisi, no pong karakal business, pero o ito po yung masanteng na po, ede po akakalingwan ng Pisamban because of impong panabili na pong apong one na po. Mo kakalingwan din ka na akong seminarista na po. Gusto niyo po? Ito po sinabi na po.
Sundo mula.
Sundo mula.
Sundo mula.
Kaya pintutuloy po na po.
I carried on. He died 1973. And how many years ago is that? 50 years?
Maliban po kanina tatang, detang alaway pong kapatid. Kumusta niya po itang, ating pong kalagyo ka rin kapatid na yan. Yankel Talk. Ating po,
Yes.
talk niya po lagyo na.
He was president also of Holy Angel University. During his time, he was active in the Cursillo movement. And I had another brother who was active in the Opus Dei. And I have a sister who's also active in the Opus Dei. I had a sister, Teresita Nepomuceno Wilkerson, who had been active here in the Holy Rosary Parish, and she had been helping also priest of the SRC order. We have helped also some seminarians of SRC.
Dito po nga luway pong involvement king pong Archdiocese na Lapuder.
I was in a committee with the seminary. This was maybe 20 years or so ago. I was in the committee of Domus Pastorum. That is the retirement for priest. I became the president when it was incorporated. But later on, they changed the corporation. Instead of having a president, it became a chairman and vice chairman. When I was president, the archbishop was the chairman. Then they changed it. The archbishop still was retained as chairman, and I became the vice chairman. I retired from Domus Pastorum about 3 years ago in order to give younger people the opportunity to serve. My own advocacy is that priests should be provided adequately when they retire. So they should not be worrying about what will happen to them when they retire. Because usually when they retire, their siblings probably are gone, or they are too old to help them, to take care of them. Their nieces and nephews are also busy with their own lives. So where will they go? There should be a place where retired priests can live until they meet our Creator. Hopefully, we could make this Domus Pastorum better, better facilities. And one of the things that we established there as investment, let's say an investment of $100,000 will give a return of about 200,000 pesos a year. Now, 200,000 pesos a year should be dedicated to the medical needs of one priest, one retired priest. So if we have several of these, right now I think we have four of this $100,000 investment. So let's say we could bring this up to 10. So we could support, from the earnings of this, we could support 10 retired priests at 200,000 a year, enough for their medical needs. I think priests should no longer have that problem of having to think of their future, so that they'll dedicate more time and effort to their priestly ministry than thinking of saving for their future.
Impanabili na pong tatang na isundo mo la nga na po na isundo mo la kay bat akit yu po ng inkarela pong approach holistic na po niyang seminaristala kay bat anyang parila ngayon po pati retirement na po at niya pong kasanting tang panabili na itang banda rin pari they can continuously do their mission eda na isipan tang datang eda isipan po tang tumwala makaila po ka holistic inkarela pong approach kabang itatang na sundo mo lang mo inkarela ding seminarista itang karela pa nga seminarista anyang parila hangga po tang mag-retire la makaila po ka selfless na po inkarela pong pamilya at recently po tang wari migpa-concert kayo pa migpa-concert kayo po.
Yes, there was a concert here for the seminary.
Ang po itang para king Holy Rosary. Itang Agiles Electric.
Let me say something again about Domus Pastorum. I hope that the priest will dedicate part of their estate to the Domus Pastorum. So that Domus Pastorum will become financially strong and be able to support the future retirees. No? Those who can afford to give to Domus Pastorum
O ito.
for the benefit of future retirees.
Mapin po dapat po saup-saup na po. Ito po siguro yung pinaka-objective. Ipitang saup-saup, bahan kanita po, mas lalo na pong gampanin ng obrada na po. Banto po tang tutwala talagang ito na isipan. Na po.
Yes, especially when you get old, that is the time you need more money for medicine. No, every now and then you get sick, that is when you need assistance.
Alawin niyo po na po, seminarista, pari, hanggang po tang tutwala. Kaya ba't aluwa mo po ito? Pati po yung pisamban. Na po. Recently po, concert la po yung Angeles Electric para po king Maragula Pisamban. Yung pong Maragula Pisamban, yung yapin po yung hausan tamong Holy Rosary. Makanya naman po kalugod para king Pisamban na po. Ito po recent yung pong concert.
Angeles Electric celebrated its 100 years anniversary, as the culmination of the 100 years anniversary. It had a concert benefit for the Holy Rosary Pisamban Maragol.
May bali po magkano po? 7 million pesos para po hindi katampi samban kaya maya pa oras po. O po tapo manabono ko istuya po. Po tapo patunon do hak din pero isto la po 7 million po na para po maragula
Yes,
pisamba.
7 million.
At sasabihan daw po benefit concert siya pero ilamo naman po. Ilamo rin po. Kaya po balo makanta kayo po kalugod king Santa Iglesia na
Well, we have been blessed. I'm very thankful to God for all the blessings that God had given our family, and we should give in return for God and for the community.
May tumbo ka rin mga reserve pong question. Itang, nano po itang fan memory show nga po seto. Kasi po, potang sabi mo tatang pit, kadikit niya po seto. Dahil po ngayon kakalingwan ka nga po seto.
When he was installed as the Archbishop of Pampanga, I was in the committee that welcomed him there, somewhere there in Lubao. No? But I have not really been active here because I don't live here in Angeles. I have been living in Manila. But every now and then I get to meet him. He's such a good person. Always helping others. Anybody who dies, he goes out of the way to say Mass. And every time he sees me, he's so friendly to me. Kung minsan nahihiya na ako, siyang nagmamano sa akin. Ganon din si Apundong, nahihiya ako, nagmamano sila sa akin. Sila obispo, ako, who am I?
Kasi po yapon dong, may graduate siya po Holy Angel.
Yes.
May po. Alam na siya po yapong dong kaya ni po king kakatamong eskwela. May po. Kaya in a way, may forma yarin po king Holy Angel. Kangapon dong naman po namin po yung iyo kalingwan kaya.
Well, siya pong dong, nakasama ko siya doon sa Domus Pastorum. He's a good leader, intellectual, and a disciplinarian. I like his homilies during ordination of giving instructions to the priests.
Balaan po tatang yan po potang potang ordinasyon po na. Instructions na bala mo.
He gives instructions.
Opo. Kaya naman pong pari, nino pong, ating kayo pong directly kakasabi, kaya pong payari pong pare? Atin po?
Not so much na kareng payari ni, pero dengaliwa, eko man sinopan, pero close lagi kami. Yung may Father J, amit kay Father J, king seminaryo,
Father J, po mataba.
po,
Siguro po pakanan niya ang pakanan, kaya yun ako po makalinguan. Ay kalgura na kayo po kasi pong tintala na kayo po yan. Ito po yan kay Father J, Manalbea po. At iba po kayo ang pare. Alimatabaya po talaga. Pakanan niya po ang pakanan eh. Ay karena pong kahay. Di po sindaristarya pong pakanan yun eh po. Karena pong dating pari pong Pax. Kasi po po tas sinabi mong magpag-aral pari, aside po ang Peter Nepomuceno, iya pong Pax Lansang po.
yes, siya pong PAX, mag-establish siyang vocational committee kay King Holy Rosary. They were helping seminarians, not only those from Angeles, but also from other towns of Pampanga. Yung gawa ng hapong PAX kanita, itong miras non theology, ipasa no kay kami. Baka kanita, iyang manikwane namang bayong seminaryan na seminarista nga sopa na. Calling ila, yung vocational committee ng hapong PAX, atin lang screening committee. Kami, we do not have that. So we just rely on kay ating aluang pare, sabihan na kay kami, so panyo na yung manini siya minaristang ini. Itang sistema ita was favorable to us because may screen nala, no? Usually may-ari ng philosophy, kay pasaro kay kami. No? Lately, particularly this year, peksabihan kay po'y Father Dan Baul, yung may nalilipukan Father J. No? Kitang ko kaya nung seminarist ng mga ilang saw. Para ka na ako, then dapat mong sopan pa mo, training at tinakang theology. So, tim niyang binye listahan kay kami. Fortunately, theology nila, and 4 of them are 4th year. So, they'll be ordained deacon maybe within the year, by next year. That's a big blessing to us.
At saka kami po blessing po ito kasi nang kayo po, siyempre kami family mi po na nang kayo itang baloy po kilang batang pamagpari. Itang exhausted na lang naman dugo. Itang nemisan, ala na pong halapitan. Kabat po itang ala na pong halapitan o ita. Lulub niya po itatangpit. Ilan na po ang mitutuloy ka rin papag-aral pari. Bali po, we are celebrating 75 years po yung pangatatag na po ng diocese. Kaya metong po ka rin grasya na po ng pangatatag ng diocese. Yapin po ikayo. Then pong laiko, etong po ikayo. Nano po mensayo po king kakatamon diocese, ang ini po archdiocese na.
I'm very thankful that we are given the opportunity to serve, to help the diocese, especially the seminarians. Gives us a lot of blessings. Thank you.
Kare naman pong bisa magpari, nano pong mensayo po karela?
Sabi ko kang Father Deo niyang inunayang dinapit ka na ako seminaristaya. Iya at tatandaan na, pero ako ay kunatandaan nung nanusunabi ko kaya. According to him, what I said to him is that nung ka man makapagpari, something like this, nung ka man makapagpari, okay mo. Pero nung makapagpari ka, be a good priest.
O ito ka rin po magpari.
He's considered one of the best priests of Pampanga, no? It is homily.
Siyempre po, ka rin po magpari. Ka rin naman pong pari. pwede ko pong sermonan. Nano pong buriyo pong message kareng pari. Siyempre po, wala mo po niyang anak kayo po niya po. Sabi na po, daddy po kaya kayo, sundo mo ring magpari. O may mintula po. Ngayon po kareng pari po, wala na po rin nga payari yun. Nano pong message po karela.
Give better homilies, short homilies, direct to the point. You know? And then be open to hearing confessions, because we are Catholics. We cannot go to heaven unless we go to confession. That's one reason I say that if there are no more priests, there are no more sacraments, no more baptism, no more matrimony, and particularly the sacrament of reconciliation. How can we reconcile with God if there are no priests that will make it possible for us to have the sacrament of reconciliation? And then my advocacy is help Domus Pastorum for your own retirement in the future. So you will not be worrying where you will stay when you retire.
Mga batok lang ko po. Kaya susunod po ka rin kapatid kong pari. O ita, mag-umilita mo po, makuyad mo po na. Pero diretso. Ang popondet ang sacraments talagang, without priest, there are no sacraments na po. Kaya, maragulo man po responsibilidad kaya kami ita pong ikaming maging paralan, banmiras na banwaring tao, kasanting na po nita. Na po. At bila pong katatol yan, syempre po, iya ko po, ing balo ko mo po kayo, pati ordinasyon, nakakit na kayo, kay ba't darandaman na kayo pupulagyo. Pero bila pong katatol yan, pakiramdaman tayo po yung Father J. Ing kakaluguran nyo po, na mag-message po kayo bilang panauling party na po katamong palabas.
Maya pa bengi po, kaya kayong po karengang makirandam at manalde. At tang Peter, kilagyo na pong amungdong, kaya katangar sa bispo, iya po setu, reng kaparian, reng seminarista, at pari ka rin King Mother of Good Counsel Seminary, King Domus Pastorum, Kenny Holy Angel, ang po Kenny King Pisamban Maragul, ang po kareng niyayaliwang lugar anong nukarin na may kasaup kayo, sinaup at sasaup pang gangeni. Pabiyemi po ing kapasalamatan kaya kayo at king pamilyayo, king kaya kayong pamanyundo, king misyon, pikalubning kaya kayong tatang, king kaya kayong pamilya. Salamat po, king kaya kayong saup at suporta. Pabiyemi po ining imahining Birhen de los Remedios, anti pong token of our appreciation. Kambi na nga muntok, among nakalpunda ka na salamat ang Peter. Thank you po.
Nakalpunda ka na salamat, Father J.
King lagyo na po ng kakatamong Malagudars Bispo, Yapondong. Kaya tabi na pong Tatang Pit, ang po ay Father J. BBM niya po yung maya pa bengi kaya kayungan. At sana kapamilata na po nga pong Pit, dakal tamo po abalo. Iyako po, metong po karing may katagkil ka na ako, yan pong kabengay niya, pinitang, you have to treat people good. Ne po? You have to be square and fair. At po tapong giwayo po itang para karing tao, it will come back to you. At biglayin na po nga realize, mitnuta mo po king grasya. We are really full of grace. Dakal po dakal salamat. Maya pa bengi po kaya kayo man.